Professor Seemo, here's a new video. Here's our first video on Python. We'll start with what is Python and what's the purpose of this tutorial or playlist. Actually, this playlist is going to be followed with another playlist. We'll talk about it in this video. First, what is Python? Python is a popular programming language. It was created by a Dutch programmer named Guido van Rossum, and it was released in 1991. That's his picture right there. Where do we use Python? We use Python data analysis, machine learning, web development, automation, or scripting, software testing and prototyping. Almost in everyday tasks. We can actually even make a program to order pizza every Thursday at 8 p.m., combining automation and everyday tasks domains, like for example. Yeah, okay. Why would someone learn Python? First, it has a simple syntax. It's easy to read, easy to learn. It's used everywhere by, as we saw before, it's used in like almost all the domains, if not all. Beginner friendly, great choice for entry-level coders. It doesn't require any prerequisites. It's open source, free to use by everyone and anyone. It has a large and active community. There are a lot of people who could help in Python on Stack Overflow, on Discord, for example. There are a lot of people to ask for help from. The number of modules and libraries in Python, they are a lot. And you, me, myself, we can write programs, we can add modules and more libraries to Python. And that's even that great large community. They keep on adding new modules every now and then. Okay, more on Python. Python uses new lines to complete a command, unlike other programming languages which use semicolons and parentheses. If you have a background in, for example, C or C++ or any other language, you will see in this tutorial what we mean by the new line. To start a new command, use a new line. Okay. Also, in Python relies on indentation, using white space to define a scope, such as loops, if-else statements, functions, classes, etc. Other languages usually use curly brackets for that. You know, when you write blocks of codes between curly brackets, we don't do that in Python. You'll also see that. Okay. We will learn Python version 3. Well, we have version 2 and 1. Forget about 1. For version 2, since, Python 3, Python version 3 is not same as Python version 2. But see, Python 3 is on demand. It's in demand, okay? The Python stopped supporting Python 2. They keep just updating security every now and then, but the support for Python 2 has stopped, from what I know. Python is an interpreted programming language. What do you mean by that? Every and each line in Python gets executed directly. It's not a compiled language. This is a whole topic by itself. We might make a video on it someday, okay? When you save a Python file, you save it in the .py extension. And yeah, that's our introductory video on Python. And yeah, I wanted to talk about how will this course work, or this Python playlist tutorial is gonna be. So we will learn some topics, and we will have another playlist. I will probably name it Python problem solving, where we will solve problems using Python, and we will just use what we have learned in the videos uploaded now. Thank you for watching. This was Professor Seemo. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for this tutorial, and thank you for watching.